Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today we're in Las Vegas on the Las Vegas Strip, Center Strip. We're at the Planet Hollywood going to check out the Miracle Mile Shops. The Miracle Mile Shops, formerly known as Desert Passage, is a 475,000 square foot, 1.2 mile long enclosed shopping mall on the Las Vegas Strip. It's home to more than 170 stores, 15 restaurants, and live entertainment venues. One of those venues, the Zappos Theater, is the largest theater on the Las Vegas Strip. So come on, let's walk around, have some fun, and buy something, shall we? A little history on this place. It opened in August of the year 2000 at a cost of $300 million. It opened as Desert Passage Mall inside the reconstructed Aladdin Hotel. The mall originally featured a Moroccan theme, and the shopping complex featured an hourly indoor thunderstorm, kind of like the Rainforest Cafe. To match the conversion of the Aladdin to a Planet Hollywood Las Vegas, the Desert Passage was renovated and adopted a Los Angeles theme, and it was renamed Miracle Mile Shops in 2007. This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. And shout out to Wise Malik, who found Mitzi the Rubber Ducky Showgirl in my last video, the Cosmopolitan Quick Eats or Quick Bite video. Congratulations, Wise Malik. And by the way, if you haven't noticed, I realize the audio in this video is a little wonky because I'm editing this video in a hotel room in Orlando in my effort to make sure I get a Las Vegas video uploaded Monday. So basically I'm just saying I appreciate your understanding my technical difficulties I'm dealing with here. So you might be asking yourself, what makes this mall different than any other mall across the United States? And I can answer that in one word: nothing. Miracle Mile Shops is your typical American mall. You'd find it anywhere in the country with some mainstream stores and mainstream restaurants. Obviously, the Las Vegas Strip has lots of high-end malls. This is not one of those. This is your average American mall with average American stores. That was the Blue Moon Lounge we just passed, and there's something about a lounge in a shopping mall that just kind of creeps me out. I mean, if I'm in Las Vegas and I want to check out a lounge, I want to be in either a casino or a hotel or something like that, not a shopping mall. But that's just me, Jeff from New York. Some of the bars and restaurants here at the Miracle Mile Shops include Blondie's Sports Bar and Grill, Blue Moon Bar, Buffalo Wild Wings, Cabo Wabo Cantina, Chipotle Mexican Grill, Earl of Sandwich, Flights Hot and Juicy Crawfish, Ketchup Premium Burger Bar, La Salsa Cantina, Lobster Me, Nacho Daddy, Ocean One Bar and Grill, Pampas Las Vegas, Panda Express, PBR Rock Bar and Grill, Sbarro, Showgirl Bar, Subway, The Lounge, Tipsy Robot, and the Veranda Bar. And of course here we have the blue sky with clouds ceiling motif, which is very popular with Las Vegas Strip malls as well as Atlantic City malls. Here we can also see some of that original Moroccan theming, which I guess they decided not to change to save some costs. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, please hit that subscribe button and smash that thumbs up. It really does help the channel out. So as you can see, Miracle Mile Shops is your typical American mall in a not so typical American city. As I mentioned earlier, the Miracle Mile Shops is also home to Zappos Theater, the largest theater on the Las Vegas Strip. Some of the A-listers that performed here recently in the past are Gwen Stefani, Kelly Clarkson, Christina Aguilera, The Scorpions, Shania Twain, and Judas Priest. And when I say largest theater on the Strip, it is the largest theater. There is certainly a larger arena across the street, the T-Mobile Arena, but this is the largest theater on the Strip. And that's pretty much it for the Miracle Mile shops here at the Planet Hollywood on the Las Vegas Strip. Have you visited this place? What are your thoughts? Nothing spectacular going on here, but if you left something home or you need another piece of luggage or you need some socks or something like that, it's a good place to come for some of the essentials that you might need. Other than that, just your typical American mall. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.